Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a pair of cool looking sneakers. These are Queday brand. I wanted to get some cool colors, so that's why I picked this. They had them in other colors as well. And we have a right and left, so that's good. And let's see here, let's see what size. I have a US size 8, which is, I wear a size 8. I have small feet. So let's go ahead and try these on. I don't know if I can do it standing up. I have to sit down. Excuse my toenails. I have children. So this is it here. Finally, a pair of shoes that fits good. Okay, so these are nice. These are comfortable. So this is what it is here. So that one's tied. This one here, I just have the default on. But it's good. It's got some good padding on the bottom, on the heel. It's got good padding on there too. So I can totally feel it. These would be good for hiking around. They have a thick tread on it. I don't know if you can see that. That tread is really strong. So that is good. So I'll be able to kind of like hiking sneakers. And they're good. Climbing shoes, I guess what they call them. They are gray men's climbing size 8. Okay, so that's it there. This one off here, I'll show you up at close. But it looks like these are great. I'm gonna be wearing these all day. So this is what it looks like here. You see it's got a good tread to it. So that's good for some outdoor stuff. It's got a little bit of flex to it here, so that's good. The toe is strong. It's got some good strength to it. It's definitely not steel toe, but it's got some strength to it. The base under here, I mean, it was padded, so it felt good on my heel. So let me see what it's got. Yeah, it's got some kind of memory foam heel to it. So that is cool. And I think it just looks good. These are just neat. I like these. These are going to be my new go-to shoes. And you see they're waterproof as well. So that's going to be nice. These are going to be my all-around winter shoes. So probably if you watch my videos, you'll be seeing me wearing these all the time because these are awesome. Okay. Totally cool. I like it. Thumbs up.